Welcome back guys to my channel Job Search. So today in this video I will tell all the procedure about the Domino's, that how to join and what are the salary and what are the criteria which you need to fulfill. So first of all I will tell that what are the minimum criteria to apply for the Domino's. So if you are a male or female, you both are eligible for this job, but you must be 12th pass. So if you are a 12th pass candidate, then you can apply for the Domino's. And if you are fresher or even if you have any experience, then you can go for the Domino's. It's a very best opportunities for the freshers also if you want to do study and earning also. So I will tell you all the procedure. For that you have to watch the video till end, and if you have any query after watching the video, you can directly contact me on my Instagram ID. I think many of you know what are the work in the Domino's. If you don't know, then I will tell you. So you have to do the cleaning, you have to make the pizza, you have to take the orders, and sometimes you have to handle some customers which are very, I think you are getting my point. So these are the work which you have to do in the Domino's. So guys, if you want to apply for a job in the Domino's, so first of all you have to visit to your nearby outlets and you have to directly talk to the manager and you have to ask that is there is any vacancy in your store. If there will be any vacancy, then he will tell you, and after that you have to give the small interview, and in the interview he will ask about yourself only, that what are your interests, what is your hobby and why do you want to join Domino's. So in that you can directly tell that you want to get experience and you want to interact with the customers, and that will be very good for you and for your career also. So you can tell that, and but don't say that you are just here for the getting the experience and after 2-3 years you will left this job. So don't say these types of things in the interview. Or guys, you can directly search on the Google these type of the question, you will get the good answers and you can give that answers in your interview, and that will be a very good thing. And now I will tell you about the salary, what will be the salary of you. So the minimum salary will be around 6,000 to 9,000 if you are a part-timer, or if you are a full-timer then you can get the around 10,000 to 15,000. It is totally depend on your shift and what are the benefit you are getting, and it is also depend on your interview also. So now guys, let's talk about some documentation which you need to do job in the Domino's. So for the male, you must have your own driving license, and which should be permanent, not a learning one. So if you have a permanent driving license, then you can apply for the Domino's. And the female don't need driving license because they have to do only the in-house work, in which she do the billing and cleaning things and even taking orders and making pizzas. But the male have to do the deliveries also. So that's why they need driving license. There are some other documents also which you need, like your PAN card, Aadhaar card and a bank account in which you will get the salary. And guys, if you have a specific time for doing the job, so guys, please be specific and clear while giving your interview. Because after this selection, if you will say that I can do job for this time only, then they will say no, because you have not clear all these things. That's why. So guys, in last I just want to tell you some benefit which you will get from the Domino's side. You will get an insurance policy in which they will cover 5 lakh rupees, and even you will get facility of the PF. So guys, these are the benefit which you will get from the Domino's side. So guys, in the last I just want to say that this is my first video which I am making in English. So guys, don't go on my English, just go on the informations. And guys, if you want that I should make such kind of a video on my channel, so in English, then you can directly contact me on my Instagram, and even you can comment down below. So I will try my best. And in last I just want to say sorry if I have done any mistake while speaking in English. So please forgive me. And if you have any query after watching the video and you are not clear about something, you can directly ask me on my Instagram ID. And in my channel there are the other kind of the job opportunities also, but that videos are in Hindi. So if you know Hindi, then you can directly go and check that videos and even subscribe my channel. So guys, let's go.